Hi, good morning, guys. It's a Sunday morning. It's 5:30 in the morning. We are trying to move somewhere nearby Mumbai. These are my members. She is Vedika. She is also having a channel. If you wish, you can watch her various types of videos. What's your channel name?
Planet Master.
Her channel name is Planet Master, and he is Master R. Okay, let's see. Let's hope our journey will be fine. Let's pray God and let us have a good picnic today. Let's see. So we have reached to particular this destination and parked our vehicle. So this is the way to go. We have asked the villagers here and they guided that use this particular road. There are no such a signboards. There is small drizzle also. Rain is raining. So let's see how we can go ahead. We will find it out. We need to ask many people. This is beautiful scenic scenery. We can view small water. After crossing half kilometer at least, we can view the beautiful mountains here. I hope the mountains are very visible and there is a fog and trap. We can hear the birds.
From there.
It's a beautiful sun is rising from that side. It's a beautiful place, beautiful environment. We have to take this route and look at the mountains. We have to walk for 1.5 kilometer, 1.5 hour. After half an hour we have reached to such a beautiful place. I hope it is a rice which it's a beautiful day. Let's see whether we reach to the waterfall or not, because there is no one here to guide us. We have to cross this small water stream. Wow, it's beautiful. It's clear water, crystal clear water. We can see stones beneath. We need to cross. Wow, it's a beautiful trail in the lot of. Actually, we are walking along this small stream, water stream. Now we have reached to a place where this water stream is continuous and we have to walk through this particular water stream. And the jungle is dense. Let's see where we reach. We saw some flowers. These are very beautiful flowers. All jungle flowers. I don't know the name. And alongside there is a stream. Now we have reached to a place. You can hear the birds cooking. Kuhu kuhu. And we are taking this trail. Lot of grass, greenery, jungle flowers. We are walking. There is a steep rise. I heard this particular area is full of leopards. There are many leopards in this area. And I can see the pug mark also. But I am not sure these pugs are of a leopard or not. We are climbing a mountain trail and slowly going at the top of the mountain. I hope after this mountain we have to walk down and we will reach to a waterfall. Let's see. We have reached to a destination where there is a dense jungle, you can see. Because of this HDR level you can see the brightness, but I can feel here darkness, and there are various birds who are tweaking in the morning. It's a morning time, so they are tweaking. That is a natural one. And we are walking. I can hear a water source. Somewhere there is a water stream also. So let's see whether we are nearby to the destination or not. Okay. I've seen some different types of flowers here. I've never seen these flowers before. Now we have came across a route where we can hear the water noise. Let's see where we reach. It's a water stream. Wow. Beautiful. There is one more water stream there. Something here. Finally, we have reached a place where you can hear the sound. Wow. Everything is wow. It's very, very beautiful. Water is crystal clear. And this is our destination for today. So we started our breakfast. We walked for 1 hour approximately, and we reached to this particular place. It's a very good water stream. It is not a waterfall, it is a water stream, but we decided to stop here because the waterfall, main waterfall, it is far away. That's fine. We are happy with this location because it has a bit of a sandy surface. We can cook our food, we can enjoy. So how you feel after taking a walk here? What is your opinion? Is it worth to walk for 1 hour, 1.5 hours?
Is it what?
It is worth, okay.
I
What
will
about
have
you,
to-
Vedika?
It's looking very beautiful, and we don't need to go anywhere out of Mumbai or somewhere very far. It's just near you. You just have to explore it.
Thank you. Arav.
This waterfall is very nice. The description link will be there.
Okay, thank you very much. So we are enjoying our breakfast. What you know that yesterday we prepared the cake. That is what we are taking. In a short while we will have our tea that we will shoot and we will intimate you. So here we set up our gas on the river bank, and now we will prepare a tea. We started the gas, we ignited it. There is a smell to the gas. Now it will start boiling. Pause. Now we are putting some ginger. Water started boiling. Come on, zoom and show them. Water has started boiling. It is a very good gas. I can feel the heat here. Now we are putting some ginger, Indian taste. The water started boiling. This is a very, very effective one. We are adding tea powder now in it.
अजून बारकी.
Now we are adding sugar. 2, 3, 4.
कोरे बस झाले ना शुगर.
We are adding milk.
चांगली.
Indian tea is never complete without a milk. And now inside you can see the boiling, froth is coming. I am very very happy with this particular gas. It's quickly boiling. I try to clip on the slower side, but it is somewhat, that is the least one. So our tea is ready, and now we will serve our tea. Gas switched off. Sip and let me know. It's a complete tea.
Yes, it is complete.
Wow,
It is nice.
great. Now we will taste our tea. So we will sip our tea in this beautiful environment, and we will see how it has been made. Tea is never complete without a biscuit. So we are having Good Day biscuits. We are tasting Good Day biscuits here along with the tea. Hot steaming tea here and Good Day biscuits. Come on, come and join us. So my kids are enjoying in the water.
Yes!
Wow.
Look mine!
Why don't you come at the right side, man?
It is very difficult to swim in underwater water. I will get you, man! I will come to you in water. I will not kill you. I will not kill you. पप्पा, पाणी माझ्यावर येते. नको जाऊ जास्त पुढे आई.
Wow. Very good, very good, very good. Arav is trying to learn swimming. He never been for coaching. Oh, he is just a beginner. But Vedika is seasoned one. She knows somewhat swimming. She used to go for tuition classes for the swimming. But now long back she, because of COVID and everything, we never been. But we are enjoying this. I wish there will be some little bit more sunlight. But the daylight is okay. But I need sunlight because it is somewhat cold. Are you enjoying, Vedika?
Of course.
And what about you, Arav?
Very nice.
You were complaining something.
There is no
There are dagad. There are stones below. So go to swimming pool. This is natural place. You will find everything. You will find stone. You will find crab. You will find snake also. So no need to worry. Because this is natural place. You will find anaconda. So this is a dense jungle. We are deep inside the jungle. We can just hear the water stream sound and birds creeping. Apart from that, there is nothing. There is no one else here. We are very, very lucky to find out this particular spot. This is 360 view of the place where we have taken a shelter. As you know, जंगल में एक तो शिकार रहता है या शिकारी रहते हैं. So this is a very, very dense jungle and we need to keep our eyes and ear open because we cannot trust anybody. There might be snake, there might be leopard, there might be hyena. So I am keeping my eye on 360 view to just make to ensure my safety, because this is an unknown place, not a regular place for us. They are enjoying. Wow. When I was a kid, I used to enjoy in such a manner only. I used to spend my whole day in jungle nearby my house. I was staying in Borivali and it was 1 or 2 kilometers away. There was a national park. We used to go every day for swimming. Now this is far away. This is not Borivali. We came far away from our house, but this is worth. This is nearby Mumbai. I don't want to disclose the place, but this is worth. If you know or if you make out, then please let me know. Message me. So we will check whether you are right or wrong. But believe me, there is nobody. There are no one here. Only 4 of us. And we are very happy to be in the nature, away from city. हे मासे आहेत रे. हे काय तुम्ही खाता का जेवणाला? मग
पकडतो आहे, ते खेकडे पकडतो.
मग हे कशासाठी?
खेकडे पकडायला.
ओके, म्हणजे हे खेकडे हे खातात. ओके, मग तुम्ही विकता की काय करता? स्वतःसाठीच? हे खेकडे खाता आणि हे मासे खेकडे पकडण्यासाठी. मस्त टेक्निक आहे. He is catching fish, so he can catch crabs, jungle crabs. जरा ते इथे दाखव ना. आपला एक यूट्यूब चॅनल आहे, त्याच्यावरती आपण हे दाखवतो. So he collected many fish and from this fish he will catch crabs. Thank you. So now we are trying to prepare a Maggi. So we will ignite this, open this gas. Oh, immediately started burning. Water is ready. Let water boil. So I hope bit it has become hot. So we will add top ramen in it. We don't want loose one, we want dry Maggi, so we are trying to simmer it in a little bit water. Let me mix it up. Smelling the fragrance is yummy. I can feel all Indian spices in this. Let me mix it well. So last boil. Our Maggi top ramen is ready. I have mixed all the spices in it. Looks yummy. Just giving a final boil. So it will become a steaming hot. You can feel the steam over it. Hey guys, come on. Your mid breakfast is ready. So our steaming hot Maggi is ready and my kids are awaiting to have it. And rain started, so we have to finish our Maggi quickly. How is Maggi?
Yummy.
And rain also started. Arav, how is Maggi?
Nice.
So rain also started, you can see behind. Now we need to wind it up very fast. Now the water level has raised. Rain density is more. So water level is rising. My kids are enjoying. We are still here. There was a heavy rain. Kids were there in the water only. But we took shelter below the tree. We wrapped up our things because gas and everything, it should not become wet, because further we have to cook. It's already cooked food what we have. We will just simmer it up and we will have our lunch. Oh, there is a bird. I don't know what bird. Very good, enjoy. So there is a drastic rise in the water level. When we came, the water was coming from that point, and now from both points, from this point also water is coming, and the water level raised. It's pretty enjoying. Our utensils, Maggi. We had a Maggi, we had a tea. This is the second time we are cleaning our utensils. Now this will clean and we will pack it up. Because cleanliness is the most important thing. When we came, this place was not dirty. It was very good and it was in a clean way. It was maintained in a very good manner because there are less people. So when we will go, we will show you whatever mess we have made here. We will wind it up. We will pick up everything whatever we bought, and then we will close our video. Okay, so at this moment we are cleaning up our utensils for further lunch. Then we will pack it up. Our lunch is a special lunch today. In a while we will come to know. Okay. So this is the current scenario after the rain. Water level raised, crystal clear water. Vedika and Arav still enjoying since morning in the water. In between sun shines and there is no one. Okay, that's it. This is the mess I am talking about. This mess we will clear it up once we try to wind it up. Okay, so it's 11:30 and we are trying to simmer this new dish. This is our lunch. chana masala. Chole, chana masala, whatever. In different environment, people call it in a different manner. These are chole. Okay, so we have started the gas
Chole chana masala.
and we will eat it in a different manner, like a chaat, because we don't want to eat in a regular way. Same dal, chawal, chapati, rice, bhat and all. We got fed up. Sometimes we need to have something different. So we are preparing. I just put it for simmer. My stove was wet. It became wet in the rain, but nothing happened. Oh, it started boiling also at the bottom. I can see the boils. Okay, so let me prepare my dish and then I will come back to you. So our dish is ready. Yeah, it is getting ready. We are just decorating our dish. Something different. We made chana masala, or you can call it as a chole. This is dry one. Then we have added cucumber, cut pieces of cucumber, and we have added tomatoes, and now we are on top of that we are adding some save. One thing I forgot to bring the lemons today. That's fine. Now whatever we have in jungle, we cannot do anything. Spoons have been added. My kids are hungry to have a bite of this, so now we will enjoy and let you know how is the taste. How the dish is, please have a taste and let me know. Start.
It's yummy, it's delicious. We don't need lemon.
And most important, it is hot. Usually we used to carry our food and we used to eat it in a very different manner, like a cold one. But today we have the opportunity because of this particular stove, and it's
Nice.
very delicious. Arav is feeling like he is in Arizona or in Amazon, so he is in a full mood. He was wishing that he will remove all his clothes and he will stay in the jungle. Hello guys, so we are winding up. It was a very great pleasant day. There was sunshine, there was rain, there was light rain, there was heavy rain, and now there is no rain but there is no sunshine, but we enjoyed our day. We are winding it up and we are closing our day. So bye bye and have a nice weekend. Hip hip hooray. Please subscribe our channel. Please write if you have any comments, any suggestions to us, because we are new and we are learners. Okay.
That's our factory.
And she is having her own channel, as I said. She is posting her videos on, what is your channel name?
Planet Master.
Planet Master. So the link is above, so you can check her channel
In
also
description.
and subscribe to her also. Okay. So bye bye. We are closing the day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
As we said, we close our day. This is the beautiful place and we clean our place also. There is nothing. It's all clear as it was before. And we are winding it up and we are going back. Wow. So all these jungle flowers, I don't know what is the name, but they look amazing. It's red hot like a dragon flower, and there are many more here. When all will bloom, this place will become heaven. Okay. We look for all the bags. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags we are carrying, but we are unable to find the biscuits. Now where it has gone, I don't know. So we are just sharing them our cake, valuable cake which we have made. I hope they will like it and they will eat it.
Yum yum, eat it up.
So they like and they are eating.
याला नाही.
They will eat, not a problem. तुला नको? ठीक आहे. So he didn't like, he liked it.
Yes.
He eat this thing. हे बघ, इथे ठेवलंय, हे खा. त्याला नको झालं. खा ते. चलो बाय बाय. माझ्याकडे बिस्किट्स नाहीत. आय एम रिअली व्हेरी सॉरी अँड थँक्स फॉर युअर कंपनी.
Goodbye.
हे पण का
Bye.
हे बघ.
Yummy yummy.